the new restoration project that we're gonna do. It's bit beat up, but overall the fiberglass is still good. So we're gonna be cleaning that out today. Gonna try and get the motor running too. It's been, when we got it, it had been sitting for 6 years, I think. So gonna be kind of a challenge to get this thing running, just hoping it isn't seized up. I mean, if it is, I can always take it apart, and I'm gonna get a new paint job on it. Leave the windshield on, but I think overall it's gonna be a good project. I'm gonna tear out the seats, tear out the carpet. A whole bunch of new stuff in there. This is nasty in here. Oh, wonderful. A hole in the floor. Boat. I had seen something down there in the hole, and I pull up this here. I find out there's a set of water skis in there. Check that out. Not bad for a free boat. The inside pulled out. The plug, there was a bunch of water in there, and that was just plugged without the plug. It just had stuff in it. So now that's draining out nicely. Finish the tear down tomorrow. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe.